friends, I'm Kristen Farnsworth and this is my LuLaRoom with my LuLaRoe clothes. If you're watching this, you've probably been invited to a pop-up boutique, and I thought I'd make a really quick video just to give you some pointers on shopping at pop-up boutiques. So what I do is I will take all of these fabulous clothes and I'll pack them up and bring them to a house, whoever is hosting, and set it all up, and you get instant gratification. So you can try things on, pick out your clothes, and you get to go home with them that day. There's no catalogs, no ordering. It's all just instant gratification, which is awesome. So here's a couple of tips. Number one, try things on. Even if you don't think that you're going to like it, try it on, because I promise you things look different on your body than they look on my hangers. So try them on, and our sizes also kind of vary. They fit a little bit differently, so you'll want to make sure that you try on a couple of sizes. I have these fabulous my size charts that you can circle the sizes for each style that you try on, so you can take it home with you and you will know for future parties or online parties what your sizes are when you're shopping for clothes. LuLaRoe is very unique in the fact that I don't get to choose the patterns that I offer, which is actually a really awesome thing. So every pattern that you see is a limited edition. They only make so many of them and they get shipped all over the world. So chances are you're not going to see the same pattern or the same shirt when you go to the grocery store and you see one of your friends in LuLaRoe. It will probably be a different pattern, which is awesome. So if you see something you like, grab it, because you don't know if you're going to find it again. So that's tip number two. Number three is party perks. So make sure you check the invite under the description, and that's going to let you know what kind of perks that there's going to be at this particular party. I switch it up. They're not always going to be the same. So sometimes you might get a discount for bringing a friend, or there might be some drawings or something like that at the parties, and I will always list those in the description. So check those out, because who doesn't love like discounts and freebies, right? Lastly, host a pop-up yourself. If you just like try a bunch of things and you fall in love with them, but you decide you can't quite afford to buy a whole bunch of stuff, then book a party, because there's lots of free clothes involved when you book a party. I'm very generous to my hostesses. You get a certain percentage free of clothing based on the volume of your party, and also you get items that are half off or 30% off or whatnot. Plus, if you have people book parties from your party, you get a whole new outfit for free. So lots of fun LuLaRoe giveaways and things to be had if you host a party, and also if you come to a party. So these are my tips. Make sure you join my VIP fan page in the description of this invite to stay tuned for future online parties where you can use your My Size card to shop. All right. Take care. See you soon. Bye.